I woke up and looked at the clock. It was already 7:30 in the morning. For a second, I just stared at the screen, trying to understand what that meant. Then it hit me. Today was the travel day. I got out of bed slowly, my mind still half asleep. I felt that mix of excitement and stress that always comes with early flights. I started thinking about everything at once: the flight, the bags, the passports, and of course, coffee. I walked around the house, checking things one by one. My suitcase was already by the door, but I opened it again. I always do that. I checked my clothes, my swimsuit, and a book I wanted to read on the plane. I like having a book with me, even if I don't read much. It just makes me feel calm. I made a small checklist in my head: passport, tickets, phone charger, snacks. Everything seemed fine. Still, I checked again, just in case. After getting ready, I looked in the mirror and smiled a little. Travel days are always messy, but that's part of the fun. I brushed my hair, took a deep breath, and reminded myself to slow down. There was no reason to rush now. Soon it was time to leave. The taxi arrived and I stepped outside with my bag. The air felt fresh and the morning was already busy. As we drove toward the airport, I watched the city wake up. Cars, people, sounds, everything moving quickly. Inside the car, I started thinking about the trip ahead. Costa Rica. I had heard so many things about it: green forests, warm weather, wild animals, quiet beaches. I imagined myself walking slowly, listening to nature and forgetting about time. When we reached the airport, it was already full of people. Airports always feel like small cities to me. So many stories happening at the same time. I pulled my suitcase behind me and walked inside. The first stop was check-in. I handed over my passport and ticket and waited. I watched the suitcase disappear on the belt and hoped it would arrive safely. When I got my boarding pass, I looked at it carefully. Gate number, seat number, window seat. That made me happy. After check-in, I walked through security, shoes off, bags open, everything slow and careful. I don't mind it. It gives me time to look around and think. Once I was through, I finally relaxed. I found a seat near the gate and sat down. That's when I really felt it. The trip had started. I bought a coffee and something small to eat. Airport food is not special, but it feels different, like part of the journey. I sat there, sipping my coffee, watching airplanes outside the window. Big ones, small ones, all going somewhere new. When boarding time came, I stood up and joined the line. I walked onto the plane slowly, found my seat, and sat down by the window. I placed my bag under the seat and buckled my seatbelt. As the plane started moving, my heart beat a little faster. I love this moment. The sound of the engines, the feeling of leaving the ground. When we lifted into the sky, I looked out the window and watched everything get smaller. Up in the clouds, time feels different, quiet, soft. I ordered a drink and a small snack. Everything felt calm and simple. Even the turbulence didn't bother me much. It felt like driving on a bumpy road. After some time, the captain announced that we were getting close. I looked down and saw green land below us. So much green. It already looked beautiful. When we landed, I felt that familiar feeling again. We made it. A new place. A new beginning for a few days. Inside the airport, warm air greeted me. It felt different from home, softer. I could hear new sounds and smell something fresh, like nature. As I walked outside, I smiled. The journey was long, a little stressful, but worth it. From waking up late to finally arriving, everything had worked out. That was just the first day. And I knew that many quiet moments were waiting for me, slow mornings, warm days, and memories I hadn't made yet. And that's how my journey began.